everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. If you guys are already a subscriber, you already know that what we do on this channel is absolutely magical. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, I am super happy to be showing you guys this Fast and Furious quick shifters set. It has been a long time waiting for a set like this. Amazing cars to this set. They've done a phenomenal job with this. Just starting off with the first car right here, we got this beautiful Suzuki's Honda S2000. For those who have seen the movie, I've been waiting for this livery for a while now, and this just looks absolutely great. I mean, this was from the movie Too Fast, Too Furious, and there's so many cars that Hot Wheels can do by venturing into this Too Fast, Too Furious series, especially on the premium side. They've done a lot of the cars on the mainline side, but on the premium level, this was one of my top 5 that I wanted to see. And so far, from the looks of it, they seem to have nailed it. Let's open this up. This car is absolutely amazing. I'm super happy that Hot Wheels finally brought this. I know a lot of you folks out there really wanted to see Suzuki's Honda S2000 from Too Fast, Too Furious, and the team absolutely nailed this one. It's got, look at those tampos on the taillights. Fantastic, great wheel selection that go with it. Great graphics, everything is very well represented. It just looks stunning. I'm really hoping that the team does do a lot more of Too Fast, Too Furious cars. There's Brian's Lancer. There's a ton of cars. The Golden Supra, bring that all to a premium lineup for Hot Wheels, and it would absolutely complete the set. And they did a really top job. Next up, let's have a look at this Skyline GTR R33. This was from Tokyo Drift. Yeah, Tokyo Drift. Very nice subtle card art. Very nice with the 5-spoke deep wheel. Real riders. Super great detail on this Nissan Skyline. Look at those headlights, that front badging, those 5-spoke real riders. Everything just blends perfectly. This one is from Tokyo Drift. Even the rear, it's done. They did a really good job. The license plates, all the colors, it just comes to life on this car. I super hope equally that they do a lot of cars from Tokyo Drift, because there's a lot of lost potential in that Hot Wheels lineup. Between Too Fast, Too Furious and Tokyo Drift, I think that Hot Wheels can do a superb job in landing a good chunk of those cars. It's a lot of the cars that the OG fans originally started and grew up with through the original Fast and Furious trilogy. And this is a revised casting, if I'm not mistaken, from Mattel, the 2003. Yeah, you see right there. I don't know if you guys see it, 2019. But this is a revised casting to their existing 2003 Honda NSX, and this, look at that card art. Looks stunning. There were a couple of errors that had this card art with the Honda S2000. However, we must have gotten a batch that was already fixed. Oh, this is super exciting to open this one. This looks absolutely great. This NSX is just absolutely gorgeous in this glossy black. This is Mia's car at the beginning of, I think, the Fast and the Furious, the fourth one. With that red interior that they decided to do, they modified the casting a little bit. They put that white Honda NSX badging on that hood and those wheels. They even have little plastic covers for the headlights. They did a superb job. They modified this casting slightly. There's even little dents on the door for the keyhole. It's absolutely great. The mufflers, very, very detailed. I'm actually very, very surprised on this casting with Hot Wheels. There's not much else to say. They absolutely hit it spot on, and this is just, it's just gorgeous. Look at the light reflecting off of that. Beautiful. Absolutely great, great work. Next up, we got this 1970 Plymouth Cuda. This has to be probably one of my favorites of this set. This looks absolutely great. Stunning, stunning, stunning car. At a first glance, without looking at it, I thought this was the Mustang from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift at the end, Sean's car. But no, this is actually the Plymouth Cuda. This was one of the anticipated ones with the great color selection and the different shades on the vehicle. This has probably got to be the underdog casting of the set. This Plymouth Cuda. Look at those wheels. It just matches perfectly. You have the matte tampo going all along the door from the top, front to the back. You got the Plymouth badging, license plates in the back. Really detailed taillights. You got the Cuda on the rear panels, and those wheels just with the little red accents around them. It just makes everything work. Matte hood. The little gray or silver hood clips, even down to the front fascia. You have the headlights detailed. You got, like, I don't know, those are little fog lights. And I would typically see this with a nice black interior. They did an awesome job, awesome job with this. I really, really like it. The side mufflers over there in the back, it's just superb. It just stands out, and this probably has to be one of, if not my favorite casting of this set. Between color choices, shape choices, they absolutely got this one spot on. And finally, to cap off this amazing set, we got this 65 Corvette Stingray Coupe. Let's just look at that for a second. This looks fantastic. This is from the Fate of the Furious. This just looks great. This is also a brand new, slightly revised casting. This looks phenomenal. They did a great choice. Let's look at this. Put these on the turnstiles. This is the brand new casting for this set. Look how wide this car is. Wide wheels, wide base. They absolutely got the Corvette to the right place. I mean, they also added this casting or similar Corvette casting that they had to the Team Transport lineup that's going to be debuting soon, or actually started debuting in several places. but between the color choices, that bright red with the little black details of that black handle, the black wheels, super wide, the wide body. This was in the Fate and the Furious, and they replicated this. They did a very, very good job. You have that little spoke that comes down in the back, and even the gas tank, Corvette badging right there in the back, tail lights, that license plate of New York. Everything just fits. This thing looks like an absolute, it hugs the ground, it's gonna hug the floor. It looks wide, it's mean when this thing's coming at you. It looks like you just want to move out of the way, but they did a really, really good job in reiterating this down to the scale. And that wraps this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick shifter set as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting. As always, I'm Adrian, and we will see you guys in the next one.